Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by involving a pharmacist or authorized clinician. This is the only safe route. Once you have verified drug, dose, and Soluset compatibility, make sure the compounding area is sterile and PPE is worn. You do not improvise. Use pharmacy-prepared vials or prefilled syringes when available. This prevents contamination and dosing errors. If any label, lot, or compatibility concern exists, stop and consult the pharmacist immediately. Procedural work proceeds only under their direction. Once pharmacy confirms suitability, the transfer should occur using established, approved methods like a closed system transfer device or pharmacy compounding hood. You focus on why. CSTD and sterile compounding minimize aerosolization and contamination, and correct dilution yields the intended concentration. Make sure labels reflect final concentration, volume, and beyond use time. If you're a clinician receiving the bag, inspect seals and documentation before use, so that traceability and safety. Complete the process with methodical checks. Visually inspect the bag for leaks, particulate matter, or discoloration, and confirm label accuracy, including concentration and infusion instructions. Once done, hand off to nursing with the correct pump settings and monitoring plan. If anything looks wrong, cloudiness, damaged ports, or label mismatch, do not infuse. Quarantine the bag, document the issue, and notify pharmacy and the prescriber immediately so a safe replacement can be prepared.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.